Come test drive the 2021 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, LED headlights, tires front all season. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.